Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be on the 88 CRX SI with the ITR swap. I originally didn't plan on upgrading the coilovers this soon, but I did want to upgrade them from the original coilovers that were on the car when I bought it. I've had this car since 2018. I have never touched the suspension on it. It's the Raceland Ultimos that are on there, so it's some budget coilovers. I was going to upgrade to something like the silvers that are on the ITR, but in the meantime, Max Speeding Rods reached out, wanted me to give these T6 a try to see how they do with this CRX. So I said, sure, go ahead and send them out. I'll give them a try, see how they do, give me my honest opinion on them. I've honestly got them on my S2000 that I daily drive, so I kind of know what to expect, but with different spring rates and different setup on the CRX, it might be a little bit different. I'm happy with them for a budget option. I would recommend going with a T6 or T7 instead of the entry level, because these are a higher quality build. The T6 and T7 have just different spring rates, especially the same coilover. Spring rate's a little bit different. These are a little lighter spring. The T7s have a heavier spring if you have want a more aggressive driving feel. So let's go ahead and pull these old coilovers off, kind of see how they compare to these here. But first, let's get the measurement of the height, because I do want to keep the height the same, and I want to make sure I get that set properly. That way I don't really have to go get an alignment after this. So let's get this measured out and get these installed. coilovers are installed, and it did take a bit of a process to get the ride height where I wanted it. I probably had this thing up and down 5 or 6 different times, making adjustments to the ride height, and then I took it for a 5 or 10 minute drive, and I got back and it was lowered about 5 millimeters more because of the settling of the springs. I do expect to have to make more adjustments later after this thing settles down even more. So this isn't the final ride height. It will need a little bit more adjusting. As far as the ride quality is concerned, this is an improvement over the old coilovers that I had. The bouncing has kind of gone away. This does absorb and dampen the humps and the bumps in the road a lot better than the old worn out coilovers that I had. I do have the dampening set on full stiff here, just like I do on the S2000. I used to have on the EG. That seems to be a good spot for these for my preference on the ride quality. It's not too bouncy and it's not too stiff. So if you're looking for a budget entry-level coilover to get your car lowered, definitely check out the Max Speeding Rod T6. I'll leave a link down below, and we will see you in the next video.